The universal gravitational constant is G is equal to 6.67 times 10 to the negative 11 Newton meters squared per kilogram squared. Convert G to units of pound force times feet squared divided by a slug squared. First we'll start with G, which is 6.67 times 10 to the negative 11 newtons times meters squared over kilograms squared. We'll start by converting the newtons to pound force. We'll do this by first multiplying by 1 pound force over 4.448 newtons. Then we'll convert the meters to feet by multiplying by 1 foot is equal to 0.3048 meters. Because meters is squared, we have to square this conversion. Now we can convert kilograms to slugs by multiplying by our factor of 14.59 kilograms per 1 slug. And because kilograms is squared, we must also square this conversion factor. This gives us that G is approximately equal to 3.44 times 10 to the negative 8 pound force times foot squared over slug squared. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what topics you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching.